Dear viewers, we have already discussed regarding kaph, pitta and vata and their different classifications. Because all kaph, pitta and vata has been classified into 5 groups. How these helps in organizing the functions of various organs. If you see the body systems, the main body systems are central nervous system, cardiovascular system, digestive systems, and epithelium. And if you see kaph and pitta and vata, so all these three are responsible for all these 4 body systems, main body system. Say, for central nervous system, tarpak kaph is responsible. Alochak pitta is also responsible for this. And pranavata is also responsible to maintain central nervous system so that this system functions properly. Similarly, for the cardiovascular system, avalambak kaph is responsible to protect lungs and hearts. Sadhak pitta is responsible to have enthusiasm and pleasure. And Udan vata is responsible to have a clear self-expression. For the digestive system, if you see, bodhak kaph gives us taste, from where our digestion system starts. And kledak kaph, this wet our food, so that food can flow down in the digestive alimentary canal. The pachak juices, they are secreted in stomach and intestine. And ranjak pitta, that is generated and helps the liver to provide the hemoglobin, provide the red blood cell. Similarly, saman vata and apan vata, these two helps in digestive system. Saman vata is churning the food, and apan vata helps in expelling the toxic material. If you see, for the epithelia, that is to provide tissues to the outer surface of the organs and the skin. If you see, the Shleshma kaph, this provides the joints lubrication. Bhrajak skin, Bhrajak kaph pitta, protect the skin, regulate the temperature and give color to the skin. The Vyan vata, this helps in circulation from the heart to skin. All the blood circulation is made through this only. Thus, if you see that homeostasis is provided by the vata, this regulates the environment so that our enzyme system functions properly. So this is the responsibility of vata. And energy is provided by the pitta. So this is for ATP to cell metabolism. whatever food we take, this is converted into energy with the help of pitta that gives for ATP to cell metabolism. And the structure is provided, inheritable structure is provided by the kaph. This helps in generating lipid and energizing the carbohydrates. Thus, we can see that our body systems are mainly dependent on proper functioning of kaph, pitta and vata. These kaph, pitta and vata, they varies with the time, season, life period. For example, there is a shloka, Vayo Horatribhuktaram Tegant Madhyadiga Kramat. It means age and time. This varies all the three, kaph, pitta, vata. And for that, anta, madhya and adi. That is the last part, middle part and beginning part. They are varying respectively with time, age and meal time, like that only. So if you see the 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the kapha time. Similarly, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. is also kapha time. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. that is forenoon and afternoon combined. That is pitta time. And similarly, after 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. it's a pitta time. And here if you see what time is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening. It means we had to utilize this knowledge for our various functions. That is, if we utilize this vata time, then our apan vata will act properly and we will be able to expel all the toxic items from our body. So this is for activating apan vayu. This is the best time. Similarly, if you see 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., this time is the best time when we are at peace. We can generate enough calmness in our body. And whatever we should eat, that should be nutrition. Not much of these things should be taken. And we should do the activities like studying, worshipping, meditation. Then we will be benefited maximum. Then 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is the pitta time. It means if we take lunch properly, so whatever food we take, that will be digested properly because this is the pitta time. Similarly, if you see meal time, so just after meal, our kapha is more active. During the digestion, our pitta is more active. After digestion, vata is more active, then that is apan vata will function properly. There will be gas preparations in the body. If you see our age, then in the life period, in the childhood, kapha is more active. So it means body structure is growing. There is a growth in body. In the youth time, pitta is more active. So we will have all the feelings of pitta. We will try to act more. In the old age, Vata is more active, so we become more imaginative, less of action, more of imagination and creation. If you see in different season, with the variation of season, our different kaph with Vata changes. So if you see the late winter, that is Shishira Ritu. Here, kaph is more active because kaph means cold. So this the Shishya region. This is at this time cold is there as well as cloudiness will be there. There may be some rains also here. So kaph is more predominant. So always there's a chance of cough and cold, and there may be some letharginess here. And if you see during winter, we will have low appetite. We will have more cough. So cough and cold problems will be there in this spring season. And that will be pacified during the summer season. As the summer starts, our cough is pacified, provided we have followed the proper regimen. That is our behavior, our food, our system that work properly, then this cough will be pacified here. Otherwise, there is chance, every chance, that the cough will spread. Its bad effect will be spread in the body. Similarly, pitta is more predominant in the rainy season. And if we do not follow properly, then during autumn or Sharad Ritu, our pitta will become aggravated. So our digestion will be affected. And if you see in the early winter, when the season is cold and dry, our pitta may pacify because pitta is hot, and this pacify in the cold season, cold and dry season. And the last Vata, that is more predominant during the summer season because it's hot and dry. So we are collecting, we are accumulating the Vata, but it becomes aggravated during the rainy season. So we have to alert enough so that our Vata is not aggravated. So if we follow proper regime, then this Vata will be pacified during the autumn. So in this way, we can divide this kaph pitta Vata into seasons also. We can say that kaph season is coldest and darkest winter, and this goes on up to spring. And in spring, kaph is aggravated. Similarly, pitta season, the hottest time from late spring to fall. This is called pitta season. And Vata season from fall, this autumn, to early winter. These are called the Vata season. So if we follow and take precautions according to the time, age, and season, we can maintain our health in proper condition. Friends, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Your subscriptions will motivate us to prepare more videos of your interest.